Hmm. Madam the mommy. Her body. Our mommy's in the house. Gather here, gather here, gather here. So yeah, mark present. To the matter of today. So, mommy, God bless you, past daddy. You can't forget say una be one. Abi? Mommy's in the house. Gather here, let's talk. So yeah, mark present, mark present, mark present, mark present. Ah, mommy. So God can't bless you, past daddy. You can't forget, say una be one. Ah, that time when they talk am for you and they marry, say, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Say, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. You don't forget, Nana. Ah, you can't just get luck. You can't dey work big work when be say, hey, your take home, eh? E pass times 2 of oga. You can't forget, say the two of una be one. You go say, now oga be the head of the house. So now your responsibility. Now you go pay house rent. Now you go pay school fees. The children call. No be your name that they bear. Now my name that they bear. Anything when concern feeding. Now daddy good one. This one, now that one. As they dey talk am that time, e get one language when they go say husband money na our money. That's na the family money. The wife and children and the husband, and they get the husband money. They go say my money, which is the woman money, na my money. Make I talk am again. Husband money na our money. My money na my money. Na so they dey talk am o. E no funny. So husband supposed to be like that now. Madam, no forget that time. Una too dey plan dey come, dey plan dey come. As you see responsible man, when e be say e dey try make him live up to expectation, still appreciate am. Make you sef do the best you can. The time una two go come together, take care of these children, na dey sweet pass. The time when they go tell you say, oh yeah, mommy, come do omugo for so place o. You go say, na me and my husband dey come together, I no go fit leave am o. Na so e suppose to be. No be say, na daddy go do this one. You wan kpai am. You wan kpai am no ni. Come pay school fees, come pay house rent, drop chop money, buy snacks, do everything. Wetin you na kpai you wan kpai am na. Na kpai you wan kpai am because e no go last. E no go dey sleep well. Shey e go dey look e children make dem dey suffer ni. You know when men don dey responsible, they go dey responsible to the core. Man no go fit dey look e children make dem dey suffer. Some people go just dey say they dey save, they no dey chop again o. Some women just get one account wey be say they go just dey put money, certain money every month. Their husband no dey know. Drop, nothing go happen if you drop. The man sef dey see your hard work. If you no come drop for your pikin, you no drop for your husband, who you wan come drop for? Abeg. Na me wey you no know before. Some men don come be like stockfish. They come dry, you go dey see their bone for neck if you hold their body come. Sometimes if you take picture, if you go look your marriage day, you go dey say, see as my husband fresh, tell we marry. You don't forget say the time when una marry, the man dey take care of only himself. Now you, your children, and na dey take care of. As you no gree release, if you sell for outside, you go dey shame for am. You no fit talk say na my husband be this, because if the person look your husband, they go dey wonder say, how come? See as you fresh, throw away your husband for back. It's supposed to be like that. this money na here we go leave am o. The one wey you no chop, people wey no work put, God no let them chop am. Money wey you dey gather say you want a, I don't know, you want to build one big mansion outside your husband, abi outside your marriage, e no dey possible. Where you want to tell your husband say you dey see all this money? Abi if you don come bring am come at you, come say, so you get this kind of money, no be wahala you go put for ground. Come together and do things with love. God go bless you. I know say e no easy, dem no dey talk am finish o. Everybody get im own, dem no dey talk am finish. But the small small one wey we fit avoid, make we dey avoid am. God go help us o. As you dey do all these things, God go dey put butter for your marriage, because marriage is meant to be enjoyed, not to be endured. We no go dey endure our marriage, dey manage am, na because of children, I just dey manage am, na because of children I dey manage am. No, we go enjoy am as God don talk am say we go enjoy am. In Jesus' name, dem no fit spoil am. Lie lie. God bless you. Amen.